Welcome back. Bundesliga outfit TSG Hoffenheim conducted a football clinic for Salgaocar Football Club's youth players at Tilak Stadium in Vasco on Saturday morning. The German club is in the final leg of the India tour. One of India's most followed I-League clubs, Salgaocar FC, is continuously looking to provide opportunities to improve their youth players. As such, the Vasco-based club has not ruled out a tie-up with Hoffenheim.
TSG 1899 Hoffenheim are playing in the highly competitive German Bundesliga since 2008. After finishing the 2013-14 season in 9th position, Hoffenheim embarked on the India tour with the idea of checking the country out as well as unwinding after a tough domestic season. Rounding off their India tour, Hoffenheim coaches and players conducted a football clinic for Salgaocar Football Club youth players on Saturday morning. Vice President of Salgaocar FC, Swati Salgaocar, did not rule out a future tie-up with the German club.
There are no plans as of now, but it's definitely something we would be interested to explore in the future, because as I mentioned before, the only way to improve the standard of football in Goa is to have more exposure to the best practices outside, not just Goa but the country as well.
Hello, first of all. For us it was a very interesting trip so far. We collect a lot of experiences. Yeah, so far it was very interesting for us. We had the chance to see a lot of the country, the northeast, the south. We've been in Delhi, Calcutta, and met a lot of very nice people. Met some guys from the soccer, from different soccer teams, and for us, it was very nice to stay here. So, all guys have good technical skills. There have been a goalkeeper, the big one, who has been very good, the coach told me. And I think this is good to have programs like this to develop their youth. And I saw our coach, the guys, they had fun, and I think this is also a very important thing, to have fun and push the thing forward.
Hoffenheim captain and former Germany international Andreas Beck played down Germany's chance at upcoming World Cup.
Yeah, I rate him very high. Of course, there have been a lot of teams they can compete on the same level, like Brazil or Argentina, especially the South American countries. And I hope for the title, but it's going to be very hard for us.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with reporter Dishant Parab from Vasco.
The 26th Sub-Junior and Junior State Aquatic Championship is in progress at Ponda Swimming Pool Complex. The competition has seen some impressive performances in the first 2 days. Those meeting the qualifying timing of respective events will have a chance to represent the state at the national level.
आज दुसरो दीस ह्या स्पर्धेचो. आज आनी काल ह्या 2 दिसां हांगा ह्या स्पर्धेचे फाटल्या वर्सा जे रिकॉर्ड निर्माण जाल्ले ते जवळ जवळ 15 रिकॉर्ड हांगा तोडिल्ले आसा. जेरे डिमेलो म्हण, झेवियर डिसोजा म्हण, अनुराग सिंग, साची ग्रामोपाध्याय, किरण नार्वेकर अशा काही तरी मोठे मोठे गोंयचे नामनेचे स्विमरांनी, सब ज्युनियर ज्युनियर कॅटेगरींतल्या स्विमरांनी आपले रिकॉर्ड तोडिल्ले आसा. तांणी नवे रिकॉर्ड प्रस्थापित केले आसा. स्पर्धे खातीर आमी स्पर्धकांक पयलींच सांगिल्लें की तुमी क्वॉलिफाय जातले, नॅशनलाक वतले जाल्यार हो टायम आसा तो तुमी क्वॉलिफाय जावपाकूच जाय. आनी ही कायदे आनी कानून आमकां स्विमींग फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियान घालून दिल्ली आसा. तांच्या मार्गदर्शक तत्वानुसार आमी ही स्पर्धा भरून हाडल्या.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.